Hello guys, my name is Shivam Singh. I am pursuing BTech from Ajinke DY Patil in CTIS, and for project my topic is doorbell system. So let's get started with that. So an overview of doorbell system, as security has always been an important issue in home or office wherever you go. So for therefore a remote home security system offers many more benefits apart from keeping homeowners or their property safe from intruders. As we know, the traditional doorbells were wired devices and are usually fixed at one place, so they are becoming obsolete, and because of this, these are gradually being replaced by advanced wireless doorbell system or a smart doorbell system with ESP8266. So we can place it anywhere we want, and we can also install it. It's pretty simple. The setup of wireless doorbell doesn't require any internal wiring. Moving on to the advantages, as the advantages of using RF transmitter receiver based wireless doorbell, that is, it is very easy to design the circuit and implement. The range of transmitter is fairly large, hence it is suitable for larger homes. Another advantage is over Bluetooth based data transmission, it doesn't require any smartphone or Bluetooth enabled phone or any other Bluetooth device. And in case the system is implemented using Wi-Fi network, we need to make sure that both receiver and the transmitter are connected to Wi-Fi network, or else it won't throw any notification if you have any unauthorized guy coming to your door. Applications, as the wireless doorbell implemented in this project is just a demonstration of the idea, but the idea can be extended to actual real-time wireless doorbell system, and the project is suitable for home, shops, garages, hospital, offices. Objective and the scope of this work as to maintain a live status of appliance used in homes, providing a security to home, maintaining details of services chosen according to a customer convenience. Also, it is very easy to control appliances from remote location. As you can see, it provides live status of applicants at in home. It provides human detection lights when it blows system. The system is also very useful for handicapped and physically disabled person. Technical specification. Uh, as we needing Arduino Uno, breadboard, jumper wires, macro switch, PI sensor, and RF modeler. And for programming and coding, we'll be needing a JetHub software. Circuit diagram of this. So basically, this is the circuit diagram of Arduino Uno, RF receiver modular, and the battery which is connected to both. This is the transmitter module connected to a battery of RF. This is the code. Basically, the overall analysis identifies all the client activities in home, and each sensor information is naturally put up in the cloud, so we can say that client needs, if it when the client needs the information state it, we can have get to the login, or it can be seen in it. Now let me show you the implementation, how I have created that, the video of working. Basically, we'll be needing a breadboard, Arduino Uno, a resistor, some encoder and decoder, buzzer, micro switch, and the most important RF transmitter receiver, and some connecting wires. Basically, we'll place Arduino Uno on a breadboard. We'll connect a 5 volt to a breadboard, and the ground to ground of breadboard. We have to make sure that our wiring is in a proper way, so it doesn't show any error or difficulty while implementing. Also, we'll connect a receiver modular to this, also a node, and a resistor for maintaining the power supply, and some wires. We have to make sure that we connect wires in breadboard also the same which we are applying on a Arduino as well as a receiver. will put a buzzer on a ground of Arduino to a slot number 13 to Arduino. Then this is the construction of transmitter circuit, and this is the wires connecting to it, transmitter. Basically we are using two breadboards, for one for receiving, one for transmitting, and this is the micro switch connecting wires to make sure it works. Then in the end we'll provide a power supply through battery to both breadboards, so it will work, and then there is a output when the switch will beep. Thank you.